Hello everybody. Well, the tile project continues on up here on the CR. It's looking really good. I think this is going to be nice. It still incorporates a lot of the same colors that we used around. It's got the browns and tans in it. It's got some grays in it. So it's pretty much all the color spectrum right there we used everywhere else around this place. But Joel's got the drain in and he's getting it all sloped. And this we're going to put a little grout line in it. So he's got those spacers in there. And it's all looking pretty good. Get out of his way here. He's waiting on me. Then we're going to have a little threshold piece coming across right here in the door with that black again. And it's going to be raised up a little bit so that if there's any kind of like flooding water or anything, it'll go in that drain and not run out here on the deck. You know, something mess up on the plumbing or whatever happens. It wouldn't really matter anyway because there's drains up here all in this deck and it's going to get rained on and all, but still, you know, contain the moisture inside there as much as you can. There will be a washing machine sitting right there, and there will be a sink over there, a little plug up above it. And I don't know, we got 2 washing machines. We're going to take our older one and put it down in the CR for guests to use, and we're going to take our new one and put it up here. We are working on this old desk chair right here. That's why he's drilling out some brackets we're making right here. I left this with the kids before when they stayed in that room downstairs. I left the desk and I left this chair with them, and man, did they beat it up, man. They just destroyed it. And even carved in the wood on here, especially on that side. It's got initials and hearts and all carved in it and beat up. And the cylinder, it lets it up and down, destroyed, and the chair would lean real far back, and I couldn't figure out why. And even this rod right here was bent. I had to take a hammer and bend it back, and the chair's broke inside right in here. It'll fold right there. Man, they must have got really crazy with it. Just beat up, man. I couldn't believe it. So we're making some angle brackets here that'll go under this and come on back here along and support that inside. It's broke right in there. And we put a pin through so it can't go down because it was squatted down to the floor too.
Get the water there in the CR downstairs. So good morning everybody, and this is our daily life every morning. Especially me, I'm always busy in the morning here downstairs in my garden. Since I woke up, it is my daily routine here. Just messing my plants, pull some weeds, replant, and get all the dead leaves. Lots of job, but like I said, it is less stress and really enjoyable. I'm proud to say I love it. I love gardening. So and I really want to keep my mind busy. I want to occupy it with some positive things. so that I'm not gonna stress thinking about negative thoughts that or like some other problems. So instead, I focus what I'm doing here and something progress. July is, of course, you already always seen in the video that she always here with us, and she always spend more time with us here. And I always love to teaching here to do things, something basic things. So it is our downstairs bathroom or CR, and it is also our laundry room here. So I did my laundry this morning because I don't want I don't want messy. I just want them to be independent and learn some things. So I think it's already 8 o'clock. Our crew is already here. So this morning I was also been washing our truck. I am being busy, and I love working. Sometimes James complaining because I wear out my body, but I can't sleep. My mind can't rest if there's a lot of things that I never done. So I really want things to be done so that I have peace of mind. I woke her up this morning because I sent her to get some medicine to my mom house because James was not feeling good. So I asked her to get amoxicillin to next door. And then after that, I told her that I asking her to maybe she can help me because I have so many things to do things that there in my garden and around of our area. So I asked her to maybe she can just mop the floor, and sometimes I asking her also to wash the dishes. Just a very simple things. And because after all of that, I told her no, it's no more task for her, and she can rest and she can play the phone. So it's a give and take things. Sometimes, like you need to do that one, and you have time to work and you have time to relax, right, Jilai? I'm gonna show you our Rhode Island Red here. So we don't have any 45 days chicken now, so we quit raising it because we're about to back to US. And once we go back again, we're gonna start raising 45 days. For right now, we're just uh, Rhode Island Red here. They grow fast. It is the first hatch that we did, the incubating. So I'm gonna show you here also. Of course, you've seen this one in my past video, that is my garden before. So I just let this one grow here so that the chicken have a huge place to go scratch and roaming around. But of course, I plant some um, papaya here and more malunggay. So what do you think, guys? It looks so healthy. Fried tangigi. And my tambo with shrimp.
It's getting over in the afternoon, and we've been steadily working on this place, and I hadn't had the camera going a lot because I've been busy. And right now we've been installing this teak wood jamb in right here for a set of French doors that'll come up here into this room. As I said, I haven't had these doors made yet. I'll need to get with Bon that made all this other work, like you see right there in front of me, and our front doors and some other exterior doors. I'll get with him and have him to start working on those. I need some more of those little bezels made for the LED lights like we did down in the rest of the house too, so we can just snap those in right up onto this ceiling here. That has just worked wonderful throughout the home. Joel has got the tile just going on, man. It's looking good. It's coming right along. He's got the pail over the top of the vent there right now. The vent, floor drain. He's probably using that to hold some tiles down in place. Looks like he's about got it knocked out. He's got that corner piece he's working over right now. I see he's getting it all mapped out. Drawings that are on it at the moment. Hey, if you want a chance to do a meet and greet with us, we are going to be up in Manila on July the 28th. We're going to be at Bayview Park Hotel. That is right there on Rojas Boulevard at Ermita, near the U.S. Embassy right there. We want to set a time with everyone. It'll probably be like, if we're going to do it, maybe around lunch in the afternoon, something like that. So any of you that might be interested, write us an email, jamesray080808@gmail.com, and let us know if you're interested in meeting up there at Bayview Park Hotel in Ermita on Rojas Boulevard on July 28th. Have a little meet and greet. If you can come, that's great. If you can't, well, we're going to be there any which way as we make our route back to the United States, but not to Texas yet. There's going to be a little surprise twist coming on that. So write us, let us know if you can meet up, and we hope that we see you there. Thank you. Take care.